How to recover Facebook account without email and without password.